This Newark, Delaware, Whitechapel Park, guys. The recreation. See, they have basketball there. And they have a little playground. And there's a swing there, guys. Look. For little kids. It's just small for, this is only for these people here, guys. Look. See those? Yeah, that's the park. And they have a little bit of trail. Yeah. To walk. But I'm not gonna walk there, guys, because it's look like there's a lot of see, there's nowhere to walk. You need to clean this one, guys, because there might be a snake in there. Oh, there's a trail, guys. Look, you can walk on a trail. See this? It looks like Dover and Camden. And walk in a trail. I wonder where this one goes. See? But this is not a very clean trail. Not like in Wyoming Park, guys. It's like a jungle. That's it. I'm not gonna go there, guys, because look at that. It's very long now, so let's go home. They should clean this one, guys. You know, it's nice to have a trail, but they should clean this like Wyoming. They just have a little trail, guys. A little one, not very long. Not very long. See those? See? This is small to walk. That's it, guys. I'm gonna go back to my car now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye.